Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Gajanan Rathod and today we are going to learn about uh, problem number 217 from Leetcode, that is contents duplicate. So yeah, it is a easy problems of array. So the problem statement is that given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. Okay. So basically, these are two examples I have taken here. So one array is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what the basic problem statement says, if any element in this array, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, at least occurs twice, right? So here 1 doesn't occur anytime in this array. 2 also doesn't occur two times or two more than two times. 3 doesn't occur two times, and 4 doesn't occur. So what we're going to retain is false here for this one, right? So yeah, so false for this one. And then here in this array 1, it actually appears for two times. So yeah, what we are going to return is true here, right? It was false here and it is true here. So that is basically, this is the thing. What we have to do is we have to check if any number exists more than one times in an array, or at least two times or more than two times in the array, right? So basically the question is quite simple and we have two approaches here for that. One is like what we can do is we can like uh, traverse through the array two times, like, and then find like to explain you, I would write here for loop, and in this for loop I would write another for loop, right? What I would do is I would fix the first element, that is 1, and then look at the rest array for another one. Okay, and if I find another one, I would return 2. Oh, that's very simple, but one for loop here and one for loop here, it makes it O of n square, which is not optimal. So what we can do is we can think of a data structure. We can store that element in there, in that data structure, and you can traverse through the array. And while we traverse through the array, we can check if this element already exists in that data structure. If that element exists in that data structure, what we would do is return true. Yeah, so basically of what I can think of is I can use a hash set here, right? Hash set of integer. Basically I'm directly writing the code. This is a very easy problem, and I guess everybody should get the solution what I've said till now. So it is hash set of integer. I would write a set for now and new hash set, right? uh okay, so I have created a hash set, and what I would do is now traverse through the array. If the int I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so basically now I'm going to traverse through the arrow. What I would do is, if the element doesn't exist in that hash set, so I want to add in that hash set, and if it exists, I want to check if it contains that nums I, basically the current element of the array. I would say that yeah, true. I would return true because the number exists more than one times. Yes, if set dot contains nums I, return true. Okay, else set dot add nums I. Okay, and we are out of the for loop now. What we would do is return false. If it doesn't exist, what we have to do is return false. So basically this was the whole solution for this problem. This is the optimized solution, I guess. Let's try running it. Hope it runs. Okay, it runs, and then let's submit it.